ladders up into their huts to make sure the wild animals don't get in. If you're looking for a way to stay dry this afternoon, I do recommend going to see the show festival, The Lion King, which can be found in Africa when you disembark the train. The show starts on the hour every hour, with the last show starting at 8 p.m. this evening. The show takes place in an air-conditioned building, so that's a plus, great way to stay dry. And it's also the highest-rated show on all of Disney property, and one of my personal favorites. It's a great way to see Simba and his friends, as well as some incredible acrobatics, and it's got a pretty kicking soundtrack, too. If, on the other hand, you already got a bit wet, and you're like, why not just go all the way and get totally drenched, you can head over to Asia and ride Kali River Rapids, where you are guaranteed to get wet, if not totally soaked. Once again, please make sure we're sitting all the way back in our seats. If you're in the front row of your car, make sure you're all the way back in the seat for me. Thank you. We are now approaching Harambe, Africa Station, so at this time, please make sure we stay fully seated, keeping the hands, arms, feet, and legs inside those train car windows until we do come to a full and complete stop and a cast member opens up those doors for you. If you're traveling with a personal stroller today, we ask that you wait to unfold that until after you cross the solid yellow safety lines on either side of the platform in between those black wrought iron gates, as unfolding the stroller in front of the train could be a hazard for you or those around you. Finally, welcome back to Harambe, Africa. Harambe is the Swahili word that means to bring together, and we hope you've enjoyed your time together today and for the rest of your afternoon here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.